Alright guys, another Tazer quick video here. In this video I'm going to show you how to activate the autofold function so that when you turn your truck off, the mirrors automatically fold in. This is something that every truck should come with from the factory, but it doesn't. So we're going to use Tazer to activate it. So let's go ahead and get the camera situated and I'll show you how to turn on that function. Alright, so once you're in your vehicle, we're going to need to go ahead and turn it on. So this is a live function, so we want the truck on to activate the settings for this guy. Then, once the truck fires up, we're going to want to make sure that we're in the audio menu. Then we're going to hold the left arrow and cancel on the right side of the steering wheel, which will allow us to navigate through everything. Once we find live settings, we're going to hit the middle cruise control button. And then you have a bunch of different functions here. So in our case, we are going to select autofold, and we're going to turn that on. So now autofold means that when I turn the truck off, those mirrors are going to autofold in. When I turn the truck on, they autofold out. It does this with remote start too. So if I remote start my truck, since it's on, it's going to fold the mirrors out. So once we have that activated, we can go ahead and turn off the truck. And you can see the mirrors just folded in. Let's go ahead and turn the truck on one more time. And you see they fold out. So that's how you activate the autofold functionality with the Tazer DT. Thanks for watching.